Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today, we'll be sailing on board Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas again. This time on a cruise to nowhere to have a glimpse of what has changed with the enhanced health and safety measures introduced, so you can decide for yourself if cruising in this day and age is for you. If you haven't already watched my first video on Quantum of the Seas, the link is in the video description below. Walking on board from the gangway, you are immediately greeted by the ship's centerpiece, the Royal Esplanade, which is centrally located and features shopping outlets and food venues. Royal Caribbean staggers the boarding times over a span of 3 to 4 hours, and we were fortunate to be the first to board, meaning the ship was empty. Now let's check out their 24 square meter balcony cabin. Immediately to the right is the bathroom, with a single vanity, WC, and enclosed glass shower. Moving on, we have a king-sized bed that can be converted into 2 twin beds. Just let your cabin attendant know your preference and he or she will handle the rest. Storage cabinets and wardrobes can be found on both sides of the bed. A 32-inch LCD television is positioned just in front of the bed. The in-room dining menu, safety information, and account information can be accessed from the TV. Next to the TV, you will find a mini dresser with a rather uncomfortable low backrest chair. Royal Caribbean branded face masks and hand sanitizer are provided, a nice souvenir from a unique period of cruising. Below the dresser table is the hairdryer and mini fridge. On the opposite side of the room is a day lounger come 3-seater sofa. Moving on to the room's namesake, the balcony. There is enough space for 2 reclining lawn chairs with ottomans. Some balcony cabins are even larger, owing to the angled facade, which allows guests to look towards the front or back of the ship. A unique quirk about sailing during a pandemic is the need for contact tracing. Hence, guests are required to tap their room key whenever they transition to a different part of the ship. Now let's explore the rest of Quantum of the Seas and experience what it's like with the vessel at only 50% occupancy. Just aft of the Royal Esplanade is the Via, which features an unmistakable shimmering work of art. Heading up to the top deck, we have the indoor pool. Right next to that is the main outdoor pool, which gets very busy in the day. Heading aft, we arrive at the rock climbing wall. And all the way at the back of the ship is the Flow Rider and Ripcord skydiving simulator. Fancy a drink? Enjoy some light musical accompaniment at the Schooner Bar, or head to one of the many bars and pubs on board. One unique concept is the Bionic Bar, where your drink is prepared by a robotic arm. If you're lucky, you might even catch them dancing in between drinks. Simply tap your card and your drink is brought to you. After quenching your thirst, cap the night off at the Royal Theatre to catch one of their 2 production shows. The theatre has capacity restrictions and seats have been blocked off for social distancing.
By the way, my round of applause, are you enjoying the food so far on Quantum of the Seas?
Wake up the next morning and head to the top deck to catch a perfect sunrise rising from the horizon. A rare sight in Singapore and for its travel-starved residents this past year. Start your day with a quick bite at the Cafe at 270. A small establishment serving simpler and healthier options including yogurt, sandwiches, and fruit. Next, head to the adjacent 270 lounge to enjoy a panoramic 270-degree vista out the back of the ship. Burn off the calories from last night's dinner by joining one of the many dance classes at 270 and the Seaplex. Spots are first come first served, so be there early to avoid disappointment. Done with the workout? Head to the Solarium, one of the best spots to chill and relax in the pool or hot tubs, or just laze on one of the sun loungers. The fun continues at the Seaplex, a multifunction venue that is used for dance lessons, soccer, and even bumper cars. The Seaplex Doghouse serves up grilled hot dogs with all the fix-ins. While Quantum of the Seas offers a myriad of dining options, most will be having their meals in the main dining room. Here are some of the items you can expect to savor on board. Note that the breakfast menu does not change, so don't be too eager to try all the items on the first day. Cafe Promenade serves light snacks and drinks throughout the day. Sorrento's is this amazing pizza place serving fresh, oven-baked pizzas from lunchtime till late at night. Lastly is the Windjammer Marketplace. The buffet is still open during the pandemic. The only difference is that the crew will ladle the items onto your plate. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Quantum of the Seas and a glimpse into what it's like to sail during a pandemic. See you in the next video.